earthquakes can strike without warning, putting lives at risk immediately.
When the ground shakes, what you do in those crucial moments can make all the difference.
During the shaking,
Cover your head and lay low.
Stay still while shaking still occurs.
Always keep calm.
Stay away from swaying objects. And lastly, stay away from walls, hanging fixtures, and beams.
after the shaking stops, form one line before heading out to the open area. Once at the open area, make sure everyone is complete by doing a head count.
After the head count, be aware for aftershocks.
Earthquakes are unpredictable, but being prepared can save lives. By staying calm, following safety procedures, and evacuating properly, we can minimize risks and ensure everyone's safety.
Remember, practice makes perfect. The more we prepare, the safer and less vulnerable we become. Let's stay alert, stay informed, and always prioritize safety.